In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Apple Music with family. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to settings and then click on your account up here. And then halfway down, you'll see family. Click on that. Now, I'm not sharing with any family, but if you wanted to share with any family, what you'll do is click on this icon above the top right, above or below the battery. So you click that, and then you can invite others down here, and then it'll show you a bunch of people that you can invite to. And once you're able, and you can also create a child account as well. But once you invite your family on board, you guys can share apps together. You guys can share different subscriptions and purchases and things like that. And this is how you can share your Apple Music with your family. If you have any questions, please comment below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and anything else. Don't forget, just let me know. Thanks for watching.